Spoolmatic back at it with another video. I got another mod for the GTR. This might be my most favorite mod. Maybe it'll give it back to me. You know, usually they just take and give you a little bit of joy. But this one should definitely help me out. We got it over here. Finally got my YouTube name, and I'm gonna be putting them on the window. So this is a how-to video of how to do vinyl decals on your window, your car window, your truck windows, or any windows actually. So let's do this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification button for me. You know, I needs it. I needs it. Do that, and I'm also doing the giveaway. $100 to a lucky subscriber once I hit 500 subscribers. All you have to do is like, comment, and share, and I'll be able to see your username and contact you, and we'll do the Cash App thing. So keep tuned, share as much as possible, and like. Okay, thank you. So you want to make sure that your logo is sticking to the backing paper. So you just take a card, sort of press it like this, and also do the back so the logo's sticking to the front plastic. So you do that first. Then you grab about 4 pieces of tape. Position it where you want it on the car. So I think I want it about right here. Place one tape in the middle. So basically we're doing 1/2 first. Okay, once you got it where you want it, then you're gonna peel back half of the side right here. We're just gonna peel the backing off to about halfway. Then you cut this half off. Be careful, you don't want to scratch your car. Okay. Okay. Grab your card, sort of smooth it out again. This is my Carnival Cruise card. Won't be going anytime soon again. But it was a fun cruise. And if there's any air bubbles after we're done, maybe about a month or so, those air bubbles will dissolve on their own, so you don't have to worry about it. Now we're going to remove the tape from this side and do the same thing we did for this half. A little windy out here. Nice even pressure. Okay, now we're gonna, don't want to litter. Don't litter, guys. Now we're gonna smooth it down with our fingers. Make sure you get on all the characters and pictures you want to stick. Apply pressure. We don't want them to come up with the front plastic. Okay, now is the moment of truth. We're gonna peel back this. Try to grab front. Try to go diagonal with it. Okay. Nice and slow. A little nervous. Yay! And it came out pretty good, guys. What do you guys think? Pneumatic cars, please subscribe to this guy right here, please. He needs it. So that came out pretty good. And I got these off of a eBay link. I could send you that, and you could pretty much tell them the color combination, the character font, and the size you want it, how tall and how long you want it. So pretty cool. It took about maybe a week or so to come in, so I recommend it. I'll put the link in the description down below.
AAA, yeah, we been yeah, the car sound like it's a pickup truck. You're gonna need a helicopter just to keep up. We rev our engines, yeah, in front of the boys. We don't give a.
So you clean, alcohol and water, good cleanser, and you grab a credit card or some card like this, library card. This one's a Cruise Carnival. And you take your decal, just kind of smooth it out. We want the letters to stick to the plastic and the backing. So we're gonna do the back too. Make sure it's nice and even. Okay. Then you find the position that you want it in. We're going to do the same orientation as the other window. So you only put 4 pieces of tape on one side first. Well, only. One half. Okay. And I'm just gonna take the other side, make sure it's correct. we do the tape first. Make sure we get it right. Kind of want it here. Yep. Just being picky here. Okay, now after that, we want to take the back end off, the half without tape. Okay, and we're gonna cut this off with a pair of scissors. Be careful not to scratch your window or the car. So I know we're all car guys and girls. Don't like scratches. Then we're just gonna lay this down. Take our card, nice even pressure. Okay. Now we do the other side. Remove the tape. Oops. Be gentle. Now we're going to peel the backing off of this side. It's a little windy out here. Lay it down nice and easy. Grab our card. It's looking good for me. Now, take your finger and just go around the decals and lettering, whatever pictures you have. We just want to make sure those stick and not stick to the front plastic. And now we pull back slowly with a little diagonal direction. Nerve-wracking, you know. Whew. And I think that came out pretty good. You could go back over it with the card. Not too hard, actually. Actually, I would just use your finger. And any bubbles will probably dissolve in a month or so, so you don't need to worry. It doesn't have to be perfect at first, you know. Okay, and we're done. Like, comment, subscribe.
Supercars, when we pull up, we superstars. In the garage, all them horses, it's like a mirage. Yeah, them big coupes, yeah, them white bodies, hugging two lanes. Don't you try Audi, my car like
Doing the giveaway. Don't forget that $100 to a lucky subscriber at 500 subscribers. Okay, and to keep you posted, I'm gonna be doing a review of a sick Evo 8. I believe it makes 800 horsepower on the E85. 800 horsepower, and that's wheel horsepower, so it's a real fast car, and pretty clean, a real put together car. So I'm working on that, and we'll be posting that this week. So keep tuned, Spoomatic Cars. Hit that notification button for me. Share, like, comment, subscribe. Tell your mama, tell your papa, tell your cousin, tell your auntie, tell your snakes, your rats, your dogs, your cats, all of them. You know, tell your hamster, tell your guinea pig, tell your fish, everybody.
Supercars, where we pull up with superstars. In the garage, all them horses, it's like